Okay, this is a Sharp OD grinder. This is a Model 20. It's a cylindrical grinder, as you can see. It's currently wired for 220 volts. It has a programmable control on it where you put in certain values, your final size and your coarse feed and your fine feed and the amount of each. Dwells and spark outs in between changeover points. There's also a Accurite DRO connected to the table and the cross slide, as well as a fold down or swing down internal grinding attachment. The headstock is equipped with a collet closer, and the spindle is a 5C spindle. So any tooling that goes in here has to be 5C. You can put 5C collets, you can put a 5C chuck adapter on there with a faceplate to use a chuck, which this machine does have, comes with. Or if you needed to use a center, they make centers that are shaped to the body shape of a 5C collet. Here's your tailstock with your adjustment for tension, adjustment to swivel or take the taper out of your workpiece on the table. There's no INFEED hand wheel. It's done with the control. There is a manual pulse generator for when you're doing setup and moving the machine around and working with it manually. So I'm not going to go into a total instruction video here. I've got the grinding wheel running right now. The machine is on. So we're ready to start a plunge cycle. So there's a rapid approach that you start with this INFEED button, which brings it forward whatever amount you programmed, and it needs to be away from the workpiece. You don't want it to hit the workpiece. And then you start the grinding cycle, and the headstock comes on. That's variable speed. I can control that from this potentiometer here. And as you see, we're grinding down. The DRO is keeping track of now we've reached 0. And we're going to go into the spark out. And the cycle is over. So we could do that one more time. We take our piece out, we load a new piece. We load a new piece, and we come in again to our safety position and start the grinding cycle.